Hello to Realme fans and everyone out there. I am Nitesh Patel from Unique Mobile Gallery Seawoods. Thank you for joining me today as together we unbox the Realme Narzo 30 5G. I have always been impressed by Realme's Narzo line of products. You want to know why? Because every Narzo device is launched with new features that are performance oriented that you may not find elsewhere. And the same goes for the new Realme Narzo 30 series. We have the second 5G enabled smartphone in this series, and Narzo 30 5G is the most affordable 5G phone available in market today. So let's see what we have here. Wow, we have just unboxed the Realme Narzo 30 5G, and friends, isn't it beautiful? It comes in two color options, Racing Silver and Racing Blue. Narzo 30 5G is super attractive and the design makes it unique offering in its class. We have a 6.5-inch LCD display with 90.5% screen to body ratio. The viewing experience is silky smooth thanks to amazing 90 Hz refresh rate, which is supported by 180 Hz touch sampling rate. That makes the display super responsive to use. Coming to the processor, it has latest Dimensity 700 5G processor from the house of MediaTek. It is a performance beast. Be it multitasking, playing high intensity game, watching your favorite shows or regular text and calls, Narzo 30 5G is tuned to give you a premium experience. You also get to enjoy the next generation network speed with 5G plus 5G dual SIM dual standby. With smart 5G feature, switches between 4G and 5G network efficiently improves the battery life and reduce the power consumption by 30%. How amazing is that? It comes in 6GB RAM and 128 GB configurations. Thanks to Realme's amazing DRE technology, which converts ROM into RAM for more RAM space. You can open more applications at the same time, have the smooth background app switching. Narzo 30 5G comes with triple camera setup. Primary lens is of 48 megapixel, which provides super clear images anytime, any place. A 2 megapixel black and white portrait lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens for high precious close-up shots. The UIS Max video stabilization feature is also supported, which provides large frame size, wider vision and great video stabilization. There is a side-mounted 2-in-1 fingerprint sensor and a power button, which is well positioned and is super quick. All this is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery. So what are you waiting for? Meet me at Unique Mobile Gallery Seawoods and grab a brand new Realme Narzo 30